I hope everyone is doing well. LCX is up around 3.5% over the last 7 days, in the red, as most of the market has been in the red. LCX hasn't really recovered, but if you zoom out, again, important to zoom out, specifically on these altcoins during these market conditions. I mean, LCX is up 238%, almost 240% over the last year. It's up 433%, and then has had really, I think, since over the last, I don't know, 20 days or so, has had a really great recovery. Even though the last 7 days have been in the red here, when you do zoom out on the charts, LCX is up, and a lot of people, I think, finally, I don't want to say finally finding out about it, but I think LCX is very close to, I guess, the price discovery phase, or even just the discovery of the crypto itself, because I do think it is something that you have to kind of find out about, learn about, and understand LCX as an entire ecosystem before like becoming extremely bullish on it. But I think people starting to kind of slowly gravitate towards that. Full transparency, I don't hold any LCX. Personally, I do not hold any LCX. I want to keep it as transparent as possible. I did previously, and I sold it for obviously faster moving objects or ability to see a higher return, or bigger multipliers. But that's again the market that we are in, this equity market, where you will not see multipliers like the multipliers you see in crypto, you won't see in anywhere else, really, in any sort of investment you make in a shorter period of time, or essentially in less than a year. The multipliers that you can see are pretty crazy. But yeah, I don't hold any LCX, just to be transparent with everyone. But $260 million market cap here for LCX. Holder count has gotten quite a bit bigger over a rather short period of time. The beginning of December, beginning of the month, was at around 30,000. So almost 2,000 new holders in about 2 weeks or so, which again, for a small cap altcoin, or I don't want to consider this a small cap, but a market cap crypto altcoin that is under 500 million market cap, to generate around 2,000 holders in 2 weeks is a very positive sign here. Really quickly, just wanted to update everyone on LCX and kind of give my essential bullish outlook on it, and why I think LCX could potentially have a little 10x pretty easily, I think, in the bull market. As LCX is definitely, to me at least, considered an epitome of altcoin. But if you're unfamiliar with LCX, regulated crypto exchange trading venue offering a range of digital currencies, it is based in Liechtenstein, Europe. And we have recently seen, right, the MICA, the crypto, I guess, compliance in Europe. Coinbase delists Tether and other MICA non-compliant stablecoins. So Coinbase, if you essentially use Coinbase in Europe, right, Coinbase will restrict European users from trading certain stablecoins like Tether due to MICA regulatory requirements. Starting December 13th, they're going to delist these stablecoins, including Tether, to comply with the broader rules used based on the markets and crypto assets framework, which is the MICA. Again, I kind of talked about it in previous videos about how, due to this new MICA regulation that we are seeing in Europe, right? Europe's new crypto rules burden firms with stringent compliance requirements, race against MICA deadlines. Coinbase set to delist Tether USDT. There is a lot of implications kind of in Europe specifically, and I think LCX and any other crypto platform or exchange that is positioning themselves well now, a year from now, 6 months from now, when we are in a full-blown bull market and these regulations are coming down in full effect, coins like LCX should and probably will benefit greatly. So again, that's something to keep in mind, because like stuff like this is very, very important. And again, this is like not necessarily bullish news, right? For the majority of the crypto community, or just crypto in general, would not be considered bullish news. But like in the macro outlook for LCX, I think it could potentially be bullish, and I've kind of been alluding to that kind of narrative for the last couple of videos for LCX, and it's an important reminder to keep that in mind, I guess. But LCX here announces as well that they are launching the LCX Rewards Hub, driving growth and engagement. LCX Rewards Hub, game-changing feature designed to supercharge exchange adoption and connecting these projects' thriving user base. This is something that I think LCX have been working on for a while. I know I had even gotten comments and videos on LCX like they don't have a reward system, or the reward system is lacking, which again, if you compare essentially like LCX being an exchange, right, you compare it to the aerodrome. Aerodrome to me has the best rewards system or rewards program, I guess you could say, um, that I've ever seen. And I think that's kind of one of its separating factors, right? Aerodrome Finance over on Base Chain. So for LCX to come out and have now, I'm not saying they compete with Aerodrome in any way, shape, or form, but for LCX to come out and say that they have their own rewards hub now, I think benefits them greatly. Again, as they position themselves as we do head into the bull run, and also like something that I think people maybe not don't understand or it doesn't get talked about enough is that like LCX in the sector of like the tokenization of real world assets. And this is a huge niche and a huge sector in the crypto space as we do head into the bull market that is going to have its run as well. I think LCX has kind of been stepping away a little bit, or not stepping away, but kind of uh, removing themselves more so, I guess, from the WRA sector. But I think still think it's like an underlying aspect of their ecosystem. We know about Timons, which is the world's largest tokenized diamond place. Basically, invest in real tokenized diamonds, free storage, secured vault based in Liechtenstein, free insurance, et cetera, which is a super interesting concept. I know for a while there they were also trying to like tokenize shoes and things like that. Um, but again, another sector, another catalyst essentially for LCX that could be bullish as well. But here we are, LCX currently sitting at a $260 million market cap. Again, it's up 240% over the last month. And for LCX, even at a 2.3 billion market cap, it's a pretty much a 10x, right around $3. If it hit almost pretty much if it hit a $3 billion market cap, it would be an 11.3x. So again, I think easily LCX in the bull market with money flowing into altcoin and it being fully altcoin season, which we again are not currently in. Um, LCX could easily 10, 15x in my opinion at least. Again, not financial advice, but I think that's definitely possible given what I believe the market conditions will be as we enter essentially altcoin season. But again, I just want to share this information with you guys, kind of get your opinions in the comments below. Yeah, let me know. Please drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, you guys, and as always, have a great day.